Hey guys, welcome back to my channel IT Man. Today I'm going to show you how you can use drop down lists in Microsoft Excel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you very much. Without wasting time, let's start video and trick. For example, you want to select a list of value like 1, 2, 3, 4. You want it selectable from this column right here. First of all, you should go through Data tab, and after that you should find this data validation icon and click on that, and after that here you should select list and then click here and then select values, hit enter. Okay, as you can see here, we have drop and down list. You can select one of them, for example, and if you type any value here, it will give you error. Thanks for watching today's small video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you very much.